In this video, let's look at the tools that are available in Whiteboard.chat. So I've already opened it up, but over on the left-hand side on the control panel, down where the wrench is, if you click it one time, this pops out so you can see all of the different tools. Now, we're not going to discuss every tool in this video. I'm going to make some other more detailed videos on some of these things later. But you have your line tools, you can make arrows, you can select and crop things. The rich text editor is a nice feature because when you click on that and you come over here, you will notice that you have the ability to adjust your text and bold it and that sort of thing over there. Another thing that I like is you have the ability to add links. I love the way you can add YouTube in. So let me show you that real fast because that is a nice thing. So if you know your YouTube link, and I already have a YouTube video open, I'm going to copy it, come over here. I'm going to paste that YouTube video here. You can actually adjust the start and the end times. I'm going to put that in. And what is cool about this is when you go to the student board, and I'm going to drag the student board over so you can see what that looks like. Here is the student board. You see how it just shows the video and they can actually watch it there. All right, so that's one thing you can do. Another cool thing is you can add and embed websites on here. So I'm going to go to this. I'm going to grab this Starfall link. I'm going to add it in. I'm going to post it there, and it embeds it on the page. Let me show you what this looks like on the student one. So now they can actually go and do some different activities all inside of Whiteboard.chat. There's some other things here. There's pointers that you can use. There's two different pointers. The snake is actually one that makes a little snake that'll circle, and then there's a spotlight tool. There's a way to do math, which we're going to actually, we'll do a different video or look at that later. But look at all the different things. So all of these, there's calculators with a Reckon Rec. There's a graphing calculator, a basic calculator that you can add on in. There are musical instruments like a piano and a xylophone that you can put on here, which would be great for little brain breaks and things like that. There are shapes that you can do, like a compass, a polygon, things like that. Molecule editor, drop zones. So we'll go into more detail in some other videos. Oh, and sticky notes. Oops, let me get back to that. So for sticky notes here, you can actually do different color post-it notes that you can add on to your boards. Lots of different activities that you can use. Oh, the infinite cloner. I will do another video on that as well. So just explore this. There's dice that you can add. So I can add dice onto the boards. The kids can roll the dice and do different activities with that. You can actually add more than one dice. Lots of cool tools that you can do with Whiteboard.chat.